Hey everyone, it's the Hoff. You might know me from Knight Rider, where I fought the bad guys with my talking car, Kit. Back in the 80s, TV was a hotbed of high-tech heroes, gadgets, and futuristic vehicles. So buckle up as we cruise down memory lane and explore the tech-fueled world of 1980s action TV. You can't talk about 80s tech and action without mentioning Knight Rider. Kit was more than just a cool ride. He was my partner, my confidant, and sometimes my only lifeline. We were a team, taking on bad guys with turbo boosts and witty comebacks. Kit had more tricks up its sleeve than a magician at a birthday party. Turbo boost, oil slicks, smoke screens, you name it. The A-Team were masters of taking everyday technology and turning it into crime-fighting weapons. They were the ultimate gearheads, always tinkering, always inventing. And let's not forget the explosions. When Hannibal said, "I love it when a plan comes together," you knew things were about to get loud. Airwolf was like the Ferrari of the skies, sleek, fast, and armed to the teeth. This high-tech marvel could outrun jets and take down enemy aircraft with its arsenal of missiles and lasers. That distinctive whooshing sound as Airwolf soared through the air was pure 80s cool. Max Headroom took us into a world where computers ruled and information was power. Max, a computer-generated talking head, became an unlikely hero, fighting for truth and justice in a world of digital manipulation. Max Headroom might have seemed far-fetched back then, but looking back, it was pretty ahead of its time. It made us think about the power of technology, the media, and the future that awaited us. Blue Thunder was a high-tech helicopter, bristling with surveillance equipment and weaponry. It was like a flying fortress, patrolling the skies and keeping the streets safe. Blue Thunder was a symbol of power, justice, and pure awesomeness. Emgotv1 was a superhero for the digital age, a holographic being who could control computers and manipulate technology with a thought. He was like a walking, talking special effect, and we loved him for it. Emgotv1 was proof that even in the digital world, we still craved heroes. Move over Knight Rider, there's a new crime fighter in town. Street Hawk was all about speed, agility, and high-tech motorcycle action. This bike could jump over buildings, outrun sports cars, and take down bad guys with its array of gadgets. Street Hawk proved that sometimes, all you need to fight crime is two wheels and a whole lot of horsepower. Viper was a car that took the whole hidden identity thing to a new level. One minute, it was a sleek sports car. The next, it was a crime-fighting machine with more gadgets than you could shake a stick at. Viper was like the Swiss Army knife of cars, equipped to handle any situation. RoboCop fought crime in the movies, and then he brought his brand of justice to television. The ultimate cyborg lawman, RoboCop was a mix of man and machine, fighting for justice in a world where the lines between good and evil were blurred. RoboCop was more than just a cool character. He was a symbol of what it meant to be human in a world increasingly dominated by technology. The Galaxy Rangers took us on a wild ride through space, blending sci-fi action with a touch of the Wild West. These weren't your typical cowboys. They rode robotic horses and packed laser pistols. The Galaxy Rangers showed us that no matter where you go in the universe, there's always a need for heroes. These shows didn't just entertain. They reflected the growing role of technology in our lives and its potential for both good and bad. They made us think about the future, about the possibilities, and about the responsibility that comes with wielding such powerful tools. Which is your favorite tech-powered TV show? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more trips down TV history. See you next time.